Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change Wi-Fi password. So if you think your Wi-Fi is being compromised and you want to change its password, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to simply check for your IP address that is written on the back of your Wi-Fi device. Just simply check it. If you know it, you can simply write up there. In most cases, it is 168.192.1.1 or it could be .0 at the end. So you can try both of these, whichever link works for you. That means this will be your IP address. Otherwise, you can find it at the back of your modem. Once you have it, simply go with that link. You will be onto a website. There you have to add your device password and username. You must know it, otherwise it will be also on the back of your device unless you have changed it. If you have it there, simply look up there and enter that username and password. Once you do it, and then you will be logged in. Now you will be onto this page. On the left side you will see different options. You have to select the settings icon. It could be advanced or maybe written settings. You can see that gear icon, click onto it, and then from the options you have to click on WLAN. Once you click onto it, the further options will come up, and from these options you have to click on WLAN basics. As you click onto it, these options will come up. Then you will see this option, WPA pre-shared key. This is your password. You have to simply click onto it, remove it, and enter a new password, and then click on apply. After that, the Wi-Fi password will be changed. Make sure you enter the password that you can remember so you can use the same password to connect your other devices to Wi-Fi. So this one is for PC, but if you go with the same instructions on your mobile phone, then you will go to that same website, simply edit your credentials, and you will be able to change the password. So that's how you can change the Wi-Fi password. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.